Hi friends, welcome to the channel The Nurse. Here we are discussing about AIMS NORSET answer key. First part. This is morning shift answer key, and there was another shift at the afternoon that we will discuss later. So first part of AIMS NORSET answer key morning shift. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Question starts now. First question. Identify the size of cannula. Identify the size of cannula. So this is pink color cannula. So what is the size? Correct answer is 20 gauge cannula. Pink color cannula is 20 gauge. Next question. Identify the instruments. Identify the instruments. Correct answer is circular stapler. This is circular stapler used to make intestinal anastomosis. It is mainly used during abdominal and intestinal surgeries. So this is a use of circular stapler is to make anastomosis between whole organs. Next question. Identify the instruments. Identify these instruments. So this is linear stapler. This also used to make anastomosis between the organs. That is mainly used during abdominal, thoracic and gynecology surgery to make anastomosis. So first the part will keep in between these two blades. Then after making locking here, the blade part this will move to this side. So the part in between the two blades will cut between this area. So that is the purpose of linear stapler, to make anastomosis. Next question. Lorazepam challenge test is used for. Lorazepam challenge test is used for. So correct answer is to diagnose catatonia. In patients suspecting catatonia, the doctor will administer 1 or 2 milligram of lorazepam and wait for 5 minutes. Then the doctor will assess the symptoms of catatonia. So if it is reduced, that is positive lorazepam challenge test. If symptoms is reduced after 5 minutes giving lorazepam injection, that is lorazepam challenge test positive. So that patient is diagnosed as catatonic. A positive lorazepam test validates the diagnosis of catatonia. After the patient is examined the signs of catatonia, 1 or 2 mg of lorazepam is administered intravenously. After 5 minutes, the patient is re-examined. The symptom is reduced. That means positive lorazepam challenge test, that is diagnosis of catatonia. That means patient is catatonic. Next question. Director of AIMS Delhi. Director of AIMS Delhi is Dr. Randeep Guleria. Dr. Randeep Guleria is Director of AIMS Delhi. Next question. Which group is known as universal recipient? Which blood group is known as universal recipient? Correct answer AB positive. AB positive is known as universal recipient and O positive is known as universal donor. Next question. Who is the current Google CEO? Who is the current Google CEO? Correct answer is Sundar Pichai. He is from India. Next question. Normal fetal heart sound. Normal fetal heart sound, that is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Normal fetal heart sound is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Next question. First outbreak of COVID-19. First outbreak of COVID-19, that is in Wuhan city located in China. Next question. Pernicious anemia is caused by. Pernicious anemia is caused by deficiency of vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia is caused by deficiency of vitamin B12. Next question, normal value of CVP, normal value of central venous pressure, that is 3 to 10 millimeter of mercury. Normal value of CVP or central venous pressure is 3 to 10 millimeter of mercury, that is used to measure the fluid volume in the body. If it is less than 3, that indicates hypervolemia. If it is less than 3 means hypovolemia. If it is more than 10 means that is hypervolemia or edema. More than 10, hypervolemia or edema or fluid overload. Less than 3 means hypovolemia. Then next question, who is the present president of Syria? Who is the present president of Syria? That is Bashar al-Assad. Bashar al-Assad is the present president of Syria. Next question, extra calories requirement in pregnancy and lactation period. Extra calories requirement in pregnancy and lactation period, that is 300 kilocalorie during pregnancy and 500 kilocalorie during lactation. Next question, after the death, corneal graft should be removed within. After the death, corneal graft should be removed within 6 hours. Within 6 hours, the corneal graft should be removed for corneal replacement surgery. Otherwise, we cannot use the corneal graft. It should be removed within 6 hours. Next question, the hormone oxytocin is secreted by. The hormone oxytocin is secreted by pituitary gland. Next question, find the missing number from the series. Here the aptitude question. So it is easy actually. The series is 10, 9, 7, 4, then question mark. So here the relation 10 and 9, that is the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. Then next 9 and 7, the difference between 9 and 7 is 2. Then next 7 and 4, the difference between 7 and 4 is 3. So next number we don't know, but we know the relation between the number. So previous number difference we can identify. Here 1, here 2 and here 3. Next will be 4. So 4 minus 4, that is number is 0. That is what this series. The answer is, correct answer is 0. The difference of first number from the previous number is increasing 1, 2, 3 and then 4. If it is 4 means here the number will be 0. Here the difference is 1, 2, 3. Here the difference is 4. Then the number will be 0. Next question. The first vaccine discovered is smallpox vaccine. First vaccine discovered is smallpox vaccine. Next question. The major side effects of contrast medium used during CT scan. The major side effects of contrast medium used during CT scan, that is nephrotoxicity. Next question. The malnutrition in children is best assessed by. The malnutrition in children is best assessed by weight for age. First we need to assess the normal weight for the corresponding age, then find out the weight of the child, then compare with the normal weight. So if it is less than the normal weight, the patient will be underweight and patient need more nutrition. Next question, identify the position. So here the head end is elevated and foot end is lowered. So this position is known as reverse Trendelenburg position. Why it is called reverse Trendelenburg position? In Trendelenburg position, foot end part is elevated, but here head end is elevated. That is why it is called reverse of the Trendelenburg position. Head end is elevated and foot end is lowered. Next question, what is the main use of Jackson-Pratt drain? This is a Jackson-Pratt drain, the trocar and this tube. T size tube, trocar, it is used to pierce the skin. And this is collecting bag. Three types of collecting bags. Anyone we can use. Usually the small types are used. So main use during abdominal surgery. Jackson-Pratt drain is used during abdominal surgery to collect the secretions or blood or serum collected at the surgical site, so that we can drain with Jackson-Pratt drain. Next question, identify the image. Identify this image. The correct answer is monopolar cautery. This is monopolar cautery. This is cautery tip. In this tip we will touch the skin. So this is the yellow switch and this is blue switch. Yellow switch is used to cut the skin or make incision, and this blue switch is used to make coagulation of the bleeding blood vessels. So this is example of monopolar cautery, and this part is attached to the cautery machine. There will be a cautery machine and this part will go to the cautery machine, and this part, this is cautery tip, and the surgeon will touch the tip to the skin. Then if it is pressing this yellow button means it can be used as to make skin incision. If it is pressing blue button, so it is helps to coagulation. So next question, what is the main function of fallopian tube? What is the main function of fallopian tube? Correct answer is fertilization. The ovum and sperm is fused at the fallopian tube. So that is what the main function of fallopian tube. Next question, how to assess the compartment syndrome? How to assess the compartment syndrome? So best way is to tell to move finger. So if the patient ulnar or radial nerve is compressed, the patient cannot move. Patient's finger cannot move. So that is the assessment of compartment syndrome. Finger movement. Next question, which drug should be avoided during epistaxis? So correct answer is heparin. Heparin should be avoided if patient has epistaxis, because heparin will also increase the chance of bleeding. So heparin should be withheld during epistaxis. Next question, which type of dressing used for bed sore dressing? Which type of dressing used for bed sore dressing? That is dry dressing. Usually or normally dry dressing is used for bed sore dressing. In some cases, that is slough is present at the bed sore site, we will use wet dressing. Only in the case of slough is present, then we will use wet dressing. Otherwise normally we will use dry dressing. Next question, Rafale fighter jet landed in India at which place? Rafale fighter jet landed in India at Ambala Air Base. Ambala Air Base located in Haryana. So Rafale fighter jet landed in Ambala Air Base. Next question, example of computer output device. Example of computer output device, that is printer. Printer is the one of the example of computer output device. Next question, identify this machine or identify the image. The correct answer is autoclave machine. This is autoclave machine. Next question, identify the position of the presenting part in the image. Identify the position of the presenting part in the image. So babies, this is a baby's position, lie, longitudinal lie. So correct answer is right occiput anterior. Right occiput anterior. The presenting part is occiput. So this is the occiput area. The occiput area is located at the anterior side, that is symphysis pubis, this one. So this is occiput is located at anterior side. So anterior side of the right side of the symphysis pubis because of right occiput anterior. So occiput present at the right side of the symphysis pubis. So this position is called right occiput anterior, ROA. Next question, which Leopold maneuver shown in picture? Which Leopold maneuver is shown in picture? Correct answer is second Leopold maneuver or lateral grip. In first Leopold maneuver, the examiner will assess the fundus of the uterus, that is here, upper part. In second Leopold maneuver, the examiner assess the lie of the baby. So this is in longitudinal lie. So sometimes baby will be transverse lie. So in second maneuver, the examiner will assess the lie of the baby. In third Leopold maneuver, the examiner will assess the descent of the head. The descent of the head to the pelvic brim. That is what assessing third Leopold maneuver. And in fourth Leopold maneuver, the examiner will assess the engagement of the head. The examiner will assess the engagement of the head. That is assessed in fourth stage of Leopold maneuver. Next question, identify the size of surgical blade shown in picture. Identify the size of surgical blade shown in picture, that is 12 number surgical blade. Next question, identify this machine shown in picture. Identify the machine shown in picture, that is fogging machine or fogger. This is fogging machine. With the help of this machine, we can disinfect the room. Usually it is used in OT disinfection. So this is the first part of AIIMS NOCET answer key. So second part we will make tomorrow. So best wishes for all candidates. See you.